Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and today we're going to make our own bathroom cleaner. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I did not have high hopes for this. I thought there's no way I can make anything that's going to work as good as scrubbing bubbles or some other commercial product. But I made it and it works better. I was so shocked and surprised. I can make it for pennies and it works just as good. Let me show you how. Today I am going to make some homemade bathroom cleaner. I got the recipe out of this Reader's Digest homemade book that I checked out at the library. I've never made this before. When I clean my toilet, I usually just use borax and lemon juice, or borax and vinegar. I just sprinkle it in and pour in a little vinegar and swirl it around, and that works pretty good. But this recipe is a little bit different, so we'll see how it turns out. So this recipe calls for 1 2/3 cup baking soda. Just plain old baking soda. I don't think it matters what the brand is. And that seems like an awful lot of baking soda. And then it calls for 1/2 cup of soap, of liquid soap, and I'm going to use this peppermint Castile soap. So 1/2 cup of this soap. I'm going to pour in the soap, and next it calls for 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now, this seems like you would get a chemical reaction like a volcano, but we'll find out. Here's the vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Nothing happened. And now it says to add a 1/2 cup of water, so we'll add that next. Oh, it is foaming a little bit. So it says 1/2 cup of water, but I'm wondering if we won't have to thin that down a little bit. And I'm going to stir this up. It smells great because of the Castile soap, which is peppermint. I followed the recipe exactly, but that seemed really thick and pasty to me. Now, you definitely couldn't put it in a spray bottle because all of that baking soda would clog it. It says to put it in a squirt bottle. I think even that would be pretty difficult to get out. I'm going to go ahead and water it down a little bit more and add some more water. And I think that's a better consistency, and I think that'll still work great to clean a toilet. You know, this won't affect anything, but it's going to want to separate the soap and the baking soda and vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and pour it. Since I used the last of the Castile soap, I'm just going to go ahead and reuse this bottle to put the bathroom cleaner in. So as you can see, my homemade bathroom cleaner did kind of separate, so you're probably always going to have to shake it up. And then I'm just going to, well, I think you all know how to clean a toilet. Just put some in there, but I'm also going to try this in my shower and see how it does in the shower. Well, I've soaped up the shower pretty good with just my homemade shower cleaner. So now I'm going to rinse it off and wipe it down. We'll see how it looks. Well, I just finished cleaning the shower with that homemade concoction, the stuff, and it is probably as clean as it has been in a very, very long time. It worked great as a toilet bowl cleaner and as a shower cleaner. So I'm kind of shocked. I don't know, for some reason I was expecting it to be inferior, and it actually worked great. You know, it was especially good on this glass, which has been like the biggest pain to try to clean. And I guess that baking soda must have been just the right mild abrasive with the vinegar and the baking soda and that Castile soap. I mean, it's gleaming. Well, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. That makes me think you must be a super special, kind, and nice person. If you got anything at all out of it, please give me a like and consider subscribing. I try all kinds of recipes that will show you how to save money on your household budget. This is Crazy Cheap Chick, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.